Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Today let's discuss questions asked on constitutional amendments and schedules. The 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Morarji Desai. Answer is option A. 9th schedule was introduced under reign of Jawaharlal Nehru. The 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution is a list of central and state laws that cannot be challenged in court. It was added to the Constitution in 1951 by the First Amendment Act in response to the Supreme Court's decision in the Shankari Prasad case. The 9th schedule was created to protect laws related to agrarian reform and abolish the Zamindari system. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can the transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? A. 3rd schedule, B. 5th schedule, C. 9th schedule, D. 12th schedule. Answer B. 5th schedule. The key objective is to provide protection to the tribal living in the scheduled areas from alienation of their lands and natural resources to non-tribal. In these areas, the governor has been given plenary powers as far as their administration is concerned. Under this schedule, the transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void. The executive power of the Union extends to the giving of directions to the state as to the administration of these areas. Governor of these states need make report to the President annually or as needed by President regarding the administration of the scheduled areas in that state. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.